Hi everybody, welcome to Paper Wishes Weekly Webisodes. I'm Lene Gehrig, and today I've got a great collections from our friends at Stamperia called Romantic Collection Horses. If you love horses, if you love animals, this is the one for you. I can't wait to show you what I did with these projects, so come play with us. So let me give you a little tour here through horses. It is really beautiful. The art is gorgeous. And as I said, if you're an animal lover, if you have a horse in your family, then this is the paper pack for you. And I have lots of friends that have horses. I don't have any myself. I have ridden a few times. I love to ride whenever I get the chance. So here's a page I did because I don't have any horses. So I went ahead and used a friend's little boy and her husband because I wanted to show you that it's a very versatile paper pack and you can use it for lots of things. We do have a little nod to our little horse friend here, but I added some flowers right here, and the flowers are from 49 and Market. These are Royal Posies, Ocean Jade, and Orchid. And I added the little chipboard pieces here that coordinate so beautifully with the paper pack. Here are, here are these wonderful chipboard pieces. As you can see, we've got our horses, our horseshoes, our ribbons, even a great fence. Really beautiful and fun stuff to play with. I also used it to make a card. This one I used the 8x8 paper pack for. It's the same as the 12x12, just a smaller format. And for this one I used the wood paper. See if I can find it. There we go. I used this wood paper. I just used a couple of strips from this piece right here. And then I used this piece right here across this top, across the center, and I just tore the bottom. Used a little chipboard here, beautiful horse here, and then I wanted to add some little pixie petals here. This is my favorite ballet pink pixie petals right there, and this card just took minutes to make. All right, and I have another card to show you using, this is a step-by-step die cut cards, and you can also get it if you have a die cutting machine and a die, so you can make them to your heart's content. So they come pre-folded when you buy them in the package like this. I just glued a little bit more of that barnwood across the bottom. And then this card is great if you have lots of scraps left over. I'm using the 8x8, but it would work really well with the 12x12 as well. And I'm just gonna put some glue here. And I left my barnwood opened at the top a little bit so that I could just tuck that piece right under there. And then I've got some more pieces here cut to fit in those step-by-steps. So let's go ahead and do that. I have a brand new bottle of glue today and it's really coming out fast. So it's excited to be here. There we go. And I notice on my steps here, I'm putting this diamond pattern. It's kind of heavy on this side and then there's heavy on this side, and I'm just putting them on opposite sides. That's just a visual little tip there. All right, so that's how easy that is to cover. And now I've got this great fence. I was really excited to use this. So I'm just going to put some lines of glue on those slats. I'm going to glue that across the bottom. Make sure it's all touching, and then I'm just going to let it sit there for a moment. And then I've got this other great chipboard piece here. I put some foam tape on the back, and I'm going to kind of overlap that onto the fence. Here we go. And I've got some other little pieces I want to use here. I've got a cutout greeting. I'm going to put that right there. And I've got my chipboard that says thank you. I'm going to put that just to stick above, kind of raise above that. Actually, I want this greeting to be a little higher. Like that. And then I've got this cute little ribbon that I just thought would add a little spot of color right about there. And I want to overlap these pieces just a little bit. I've got my little chipboard that says love right here. And then I've got my little flower from those posies. I want to put that right there with my little leaf. All right, and so then when that all pops up like that, we've got this great dimensional card, and so easy and fast to put together. So you guys, this is a great collection. As I said, if you are a animal lover, if you have a horse in your family, and you just love horses in general, maybe you want a horse, then this is the collection for you. So we've got a great money saver. Look on the right hand side of our screen at Paper Wish's webisode page. And if you're watching us on YouTube, then just look below the video in the description box, and we have a link to Paper Wish's webisodes, and it'll take you right to that page where you can see all of the things individually. If you want to buy the ballet pink posies, you can get those there as well. And if you like this video, consider giving it a thumbs up. It really helps people find us. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.